Sarap. World War II Museum daw kami.
By June 12, it will be 27 years old nang ihalal si Joseph Estrada bilang ating Pangulo. 1998. Nagkataon lang.
Si Fidel Nera.
Mabasa mo pa yan. Cola bottle. 23. December 25, Christmas bottle. 101 years old. November
1915. November
16.
16, 1915.
109 years old.
Ma! Tabang kalapate!
All this box.
Nice ba?
Hagis daw na mataas. Okay.
Tapos kamay natin.
Sino yun?
Ay,
Rio! Galing natin oh.
Ano name mo? What's your name?
Kasi po, tingnan nyo paano yung kamay nyo ganyan eh. Dapat straight. And then open your hands. Open your hands.
Okay, like that. Yay! Smile.
Kagabi, wala talaga.
Hi guys, welcome to her vlog. Hi guys, don't forget to like and follow my Facebook page. My Facebook page is Negosyanting Bata. Don't forget to like, follow, and share. And thank you. Wow.
Anong ulam to, be? Bulalo. Pulang Bata Resort. Uy.
Welcome to Pulang Bato.
So, kaya siya tinawag na Pulang Bato kasi reddish yung mga bato.
Nakain ka na doon?
May pagkain ka.
We're here.
Manigurulo.
You're here and I'm here.
Wow, stress-free zone. That's sulfur vent. Kung meron dyan, tingnan natin.
What are sulfur vents? They are like Earth's version of steaming out trauma. These are natural openings in the ground where steam and volcanic gases, mainly sulfur dioxide, escape. It's the earth releasing pressure, just like you should. And since Philippines is a part of the Pacific Ring of Fire, which means hella volcanoes, and with them, these steamy little love letters from the earth. Sulfur vents remind us sometimes pressure needs release. You don't have to always keep it cute. Let it out, let it steam, then return glowing.
Ang ulan. So, paano na ang ating vlog? Ang ganda. Ang payapa. Yeah. So, this is our view. Parang pagod na ang mga Bato girls. Here sa Tierra Alta. Ganda rin naman. On this side, meron glass walk. Let's try it. Pero yun na. Malabo na rin yung glass walk. So, hindi ka naman malulula. Smile, guys! For the vlog. Magsisiga lang yun. It's our last day. It's big. Mango shakes kasi sa Siquijor. Lahat ng mango sa Siquijor ay maachim. Dito, sarap, matamis. Chicken mozzarella pizza. Chicken mozzarella. Pizza. Our last night. Evil sound, evil eye. Evil eyes, We're eating here. Sans Rival Bistro. So what's our drink, Ken?
This is tropical fog. My favorite. Nakaubos ako ng 2 pitchen nung pumunta kami dito.
Siguro alam niyo na. Kuya, syrup nga po. 1 litro. Papas for 48. Lugaw. Pumpkin soup. Luwag. Nakakaluwag-luwag. Hindi nagagalit, be.
Nag-recommend ako, sabi ko, baby back ribs. Spare ribs pala. Yun yung order ko eh.
Steak, seasonal steak. Kineme. Ano yung saan ni-recommend ni Kid?
Ito lang ni-recommend ko.
Oh, so ano sabi nyo? The face. Patingin ng face, yung reaction. Lodet.
Sarap.
Of course, di namin pwedeng hindi order. Yes. Mura here. Ang dami na nito. This is just 300 pesos.
This is just 200 pesos.
Yes. Love it. Sarap. Ayan. Nag-appear pa eh. Tip nagmamadali na naman. Crop top. Sarap. Masarap ang dessert.